My mouth is on fire. That was no joke. Hi guys, welcome to this week's video. We thought we would show you what the KFC is like here in Bali. There's quite a few weird things on the menu, which you'll see very shortly, but I'm excited to get into it.
Let's do it.
Alright, we're gonna start with drinks. So this is just a standard cookies and cream crusher. Nothing revolutionary, but it is, you love cookies and cream, so you go first.
I do indeed. Yum. Cookies and cream, ice cream, and a drink.
I don't like it.
No?
It tastes too fake. What do you want to give it out of 5?
Out of 5, I'd give it a 3. It's okay. I'll drink it.
I'll give it a 1. So this was $1.85 NZ. So totally cheap, but it tastes cheap, you know? Moving right along, this is a Yubari float. It was also $1.80.
Yubari. Trying to think what that might mean.
I don't think I know what it means, but I know exactly what it tastes like. I'll see if you guess it.
That's a familiar taste.
Rock melon.
Rock melon. Yeah, now that you say it.
Yeah.
It is rock melon. Again, probably a 3. I don't mind it.
I feel like a 2.5. A 3. It doesn't taste bad.
What do we got?
Last on the drinks front is a mango float. This was also $1.80.
Looks interesting. Alright.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. No. You try it. It's got little bits of jelly in there. Like a boba sort of drink.
Oh my god.
That one I would give it 1 out of 5.
I'm also gonna give that a 1 out of 5. KFC are not doing great on the drinks front here. Okay, so this is the original recipe burger. This was $4. And I believe you can get these back in NZ, right?
What is it, like a Colonel burger?
No, it's an original recipe
Ah,
burger.
right. Okay. What?
Is it chicken cooked?
Yeah.
Why is it pink in the middle? Food poisoning, here we go.
I like it.
Yeah?
3 out of 5?
Like a 2 out of 5.
No, not a bad.
No. Ryan's gonna try this one first. This is a fish burger. I don't know what place a fish burger has at Kentucky Fried Chicken, but Ryan's gonna find out.
Fish, eh? I do like fish. I like burgers. So.
I've never had a fillet of fish, so I have nothing to compare this to.
I quite like that. It does taste like a fillet of fish. Tastes very similar to the first burger, but with fish in there. I like that. I'd probably give that like a 4 out of 5, to be honest.
But this fish burger was $3 New Zealand dollars. So the value for money is there, but again, I'm not a fan. No. There's no flavor in it that like wows you. Like, the fish is kind of bland, the sauce is kind of bland, the bread is kind of bland. It's a good 2.
2 out of 5.
Hating on everything.
That's alright. We'll find something you like.
I hope so. So these are fun fries. They were $3, which is typically quite expensive for this, like this amount of fries. And you got to select between chili or barbecue. And I went with barbecue.
Why not chili?
Why not chili?
Alright, let's give it a go.
Cheers. Those are good.
I'd eat those.
I'd give it like a 4 out of 5. So good.
4 out of 5. I think it's literally just fries, but with barbecue seasoning.
Yeah, 4 out of 5.
4 out of 5, I would agree with that.
This is KFC soup, and it was 60 cents.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good. You go first. What is it, like a chicken soup?
It looks like there's chicken in there. There's corn, carrot, and chicken.
Alright.
60 cents. You're not going to get very full off of it, but...
What?
I'll save my opinions for once he's tried it.
I know why you laugh now.
Does that just taste like water with chicken and vegetables in it?
Exactly that. Water with some carrot, some corn, some chicken in it. There's no flavour to that soup.
None whatsoever.
I was expecting a bit more. Yeah.
Like a 0.
Can you do a 0 out of 5? Yeah, 0 out of 5 because there's no flavour.
This is a perked out. This is like $1 NZ. I have no idea what it is.
Kind of like a hash brown. But
Give it a
with mashed potato.
Yeah.
Again, I don't mind it. It just tastes kind of like fried potato.
Yeah, I'd give it like a 3, I think.
Yeah, I'd agree with that. 3. 3 out of 5.
This is Spaghetti Supreme. It was $2.30.
That looks really good.
The value for money looks like it's there.
Let's give it a go. It's kind of spicy.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. What do you reckon?
That is quite spicy. I have an interjection about this drink. I like it now. Next is a Yakiniku Don. So the Yakiniku Don was only $1.80, which is ridiculous because there's a good amount of chicken in here and rice and sauce. Like this value is there.
You going first?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Has it got rice in there as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rice, sauce, chicken.
Like a little donburi.
Yeah. Whoa.
A little bit spicy. For KFC, that's fantastic, guys. Also worth noting, like a lot of fast food here will come with rice as well. We did a McDonald's video and a lot of those dishes came with rice. You okay?
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
I'm actually in pain.
I would order that by itself. It is chilly. That's good.
I'm in physical pain.
Drink a drink, you'll be alright.
Such a caring boyfriend. Fiance.
What would you rate it out of 5?
I can't taste anything.
Okay, out of spice.
Out of 5. Out of 5.
Well, I think we're doing spice out of 10.
Okay. 8.5, 9.
There you go, guys. It is pretty spicy.
If you, my nose is running now. If you come to Bali and you decide to get KFC and you can't handle spice, do not get the Yakiniku Don. It looks great. It's not worth it. My mouth is so sore, I'm in physical pain. In an effort to cheer my poor mouth up from that experience, we're going to try the cream puff, which is the only dessert that we got. It was $1.50 New Zealand, and it is this churro donut looking situation. So
that's interesting. Right, cheers.
It tastes kind of like an eclair, but
That's what I was looking for. Eclair. Yeah. Haha, very funny.
I cannot believe we've got this on camera.
Out of 5, what would you rate it?
A 2.
Yeah, probably a 2. It's very doughy. Not much to it. Tastes like an eclair. You hit the nail on the head there.
But like not a nice eclair. Okay, the main event we have saved for last. Original recipe KFC chicken. This was $4.20 for 2 pieces. Yeah, let's see if KFC's chicken is better than McDonald's one.
Alright.
I mean, it's okay. I'm gonna say something super controversial.
What's that?
McDonald's chicken is better. Way better.
I agree, the McDonald's chicken that we had here was a lot better. I think it was crispier,
Juicier, more flavoursome.
more flavour, yeah. Out of 5.
Give it like a... Well, I want to give it a 4. Because that seems too high, but I don't want to give it a 3. Like a 3.8.
I would say a 3, somewhere around there. It's definitely alright.
What was your favourite thing?
The donburi.
The one that almost actually killed me.
There's a little bit left after this video. I'm finishing that. What was your favourite?
This is gonna sound so dumb, but the fries and the weird mango spider drink.
You didn't like that at the beginning.
I know, but yeah, that drink and the fries probably.
And the burgers were okay as well.
I like the burgers. They were average.
Yeah.
McDonald's really does it better here, I think. No offense, KFC, if you're watching.
Okay guys, we are done for today. That was interesting. What did you reckon? Worth doing? Worth having KFC in Bali?
I would probably go to KFC if you wanted to try their food as opposed to ordering it, and stay away from the Yakiniku Don if you don't like spice.
Guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out this one here. This is where we tried McDonald's in Bali, and you'll get to see that there is chicken and many other different things on the menu that you'll find quite interesting as well.
Totally. Alright guys, that's it for this week's video. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Our subscriber count is slowly creeping up there, which is really nice to see. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of our videos. We've got a couple of cool ones coming up, so you'll definitely want to know when those come out. And leave a comment down below. Would you try this food? Have you tried it? Or if you think that there is something that we should try here in Bali that we haven't, we are always keen to hear from you and have some more video ideas if you have any.
Totally.
Otherwise,
till next time. Peace.
Peace.